So today we are going to about the locators, and it is the day 6 out of 100. So this is the playwright locators and basic locators. So now we will discuss, as already we have covered the setups, Maven project, all the things. So now we will comparison between the Selenium locators as well as the playwright locators. So welcome in this lecture. So first of all, we will learn what we will learn in the Selenium, how we will write as locators, not so by dot id like that, by dot xpath, right, by dot css selector. But in this playwright, we don't write any explicitly bit. I will tell you how you can see the big difference. This the IntelliJ, the code is which is written about the written in the Selenium. So we have written the id, and this is the explicitly weight we are using for the element. Now in the playwright, we are directly initializing the variable and writing the locator very simple way, and we are filling the value dot fill, but very simple way. Now I have need to open that website where we are. Yes. So here, let's suppose I'm checking the locators from front of you. This is the X path, and here you can see the ID. This is the class, this is the placeholder, this is the ID. So how we are writing uh, in the playwright, page dot locators dot first name. Directly we will pick the ID, as well as the same for the next, and this is the ID for the last name, you can see. Okay, and then for the this is how we will pick, or we can create the XPath as well as the ID. It will be same like the Selenium, but the way of the style or way of the writing the product will be little different, as you can see. Okay, so now you can see here the page layout, user dot name. This is the ID selector username, and we are filling this login. Need to go back. So if we will check the, if you can write like that. So now you can see the ID is the username, and if next uh, you don't think about this one, but just I'm trying to map the XPath or locators from this ID is the password. The same way I have written in the code, you can see the user and the password we have created with the attribute input type or password, and as well as I can take the hash or password, it will be good for you, but I have took uh, different ways so that you will understand better way. I'm mapping as well as from the DOM also. You will catch my point. Input type password, I've taken the attribute exact match attribute equal to values here, and now you can see I have written the contains See, the way of style are different, but as we have written the XPath, that is absolutely same. Like we use the functions contain, start with, end with, or access with the parent to child, all will be absolutely same. So now you can see the contains input class star submit button, it is same. How or what we are doing here, you can see just enter the values and we are logging. This is the submit. And see, this is the, yes, this is the submit type. Attribute type is the type, and is the submit, as well as we can take the id login button, but I have taken um different or variety of the locators, that's why here. And you can see the use contains for the class exact text match. Okay, then we have wait for this some time, then we have matched the back we are printing the title on the console. And now we have took the CSS selector. There is the two-way CSS selector in the Playwright. There is the simple like Selenium locators, and we pick the a dot shopping cart link. Another way, uh, Another way we have gone this one. This is the get get by role. This is different or the efficient approach in the get by role. This is the playwright recommendation approach, role based locators, which is the accessibility attribute. These tend to more reliance when developers change CSS classes frequently. So we should go like that, so that whenever the CSS class will change, your code not impacted anymore. This is the simple XPath. I can go back and see. You can create like input, um, control F. This is the way, if we check in like that, as well as the same way we can create the XPath like that. This one also, this is the import tags. This is the functions we are using, contains and tags. That is absolutely, already I have created one video in my channel, created one video regarding the locators or CSS locators or XPath. So you can watch that, as well as from the high level perspective related to Playwright is the, you can understand better. So Spain tax checkout overview, this is the XPath we have created for the for check over the view headers, and we have written the one condition, we are waiting for some time. So very frequently mistake which we used in the code, let's discuss that also now. Very important mistakes, we in the old Selenium have we are right thread, but thread.sleep, but you know guys, in the code production level we never used it in the Selenium also, but I don't know you used or not. But in Playwright too, don't do that. Playwright already auto wait until an element is actionable. So we use wait for timeout if you for debugging perspective or you want to demos, not a production. Okay, so this I just want to recap what we have covered. We have covered ID tags, role based locators, action, fill, click, and all those things in this lecture. So please, if you feel good, so please comment in comment section. We will cover the next topic in the next lecture.